Namaskar, I am Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So today we are going to discuss about section 164 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. So before that, I request everyone, if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe the channel and also press the bell button to get the latest notification from our channel. So let's continue to the topic. Section 164 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, where there is a provision for recording of statement or confession by the magistrate. As we know, the police officer during the investigation has power to get acquainted with the facts and circumstances of the case. If during the investigation the police come across any witness who is willing to confess his crime, then in that situation the police has right to produce it before the magistrate for recording of the confession. As we know, the police under section 161 of the CRPC has power to witness or examine the witness. However, the examination of the police cannot be produced before any court of law as evidence. Therefore, under section 164, there is a provision that before commencement of any inquiry or trial by the court, the police may produce the accused or any witness who is voluntarily willing to confess his crime or to give any statement before the court of law, which will assist the court in concluding the case. So therefore, under section 164 of the CRPC, there is a provision that if an accused willingly wants to confess his crime before the magistrate of first class, or if the state government has made any provision, the magistrate of second class can record the confession or a statement of any accused or witness. However, before recording any confession or a statement, the magistrate is duty bound that he must get assured that the witness or the accused is not under any influence or pressure, and he is willingly giving his statement or confession to assist the court. After getting assured, he also asks the witness or the accused that such a statement can be used against him in the court of law. And after getting a satisfactory answer, he writes down the statement or the confession of the accused, and such a statement is duly signed by the accused, and it is used as evidence in the court of law. So this is all about section 164 of the Code of Criminal Procedure. So please subscribe my channel to get more videos on the legal issues. I'll be coming again on another topic with another video. Till then, take care. Namaskar.